When I started my journey in this language, so that time I was not able to make a single sentence. When I can do it, so you can also do it. Never give up, guys. But this simple sentence will make you fluent speaker, and after that you can talk without hesitation, without fears to anyone. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, you also want to improve your communication skill. You also talk with someone in English language, but I think it is very difficult task for you. You are not able to talk with someone because you don't have any ideas about this language. Am I right? So guys, please remove these things in your mind because nothing is impossible on this planet. You can do it because guys, just when I started my journey in this language, so that time I was not able to make a single sentence. So guys, you can understand now I am talking with you. Now I am talking in front of my camera. Okay. Now I am speaking in front of my camera. And you can imagine guys, when I can do it, so you can also do it. Never give up, guys. Guys, English is just a language, not a subject. So please don't take like a subject, okay? Guys, already I told you, practice is a very most important thing for our improving communication skill. I have a fantastic idea how to practice with ourselves if you don't have anybody for practice. Okay, so just I want to use a Hindi for making understand you. Okay. So just like आप जैसे कि मार्केट जा रहे हैं तो मार्केट जाते टाइम आपको बहुत सारी ऐसी एक्टिविटीज मिलेंगी, बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग मिलेंगे जो कि बहुत सारे काम कर रहे होंगे, इधर जा रहे होंगे, उधर जा रहे होंगे. जैसे बंदर है छत पे बैठा है, कोई इंसान है जैसे कुत्तों को बिस्किट खिला रहा है, कोई इंसान है कि सब्जियां खरीद रहा है, मार्केट में आया है, बहुत लोग मार्केट में आए हैं, बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज कर रहे हैं. तो आप उन सब चीजों को ना इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करने की कोशिश कीजिए. जैसे मैं बोलूं, वो व्यक्ति कुत्तों को बिस्किट खिला रहा है, दैट पर्सन इज फीडिंग बिस्किट टू डॉग्स. ओके, मैं मछली खरीद रहा हूँ, आई एम बाइंग फिश. ओके, मैं शुगर खरीद रहा हूँ, आई एम बाइंग शुगर. मैं सब्जी खरीद रहा हूँ, आई एम बाइंग वेजिटेबल्स. मुझे आलू भी खरीदना है, आई हैव टू ऑल्सो बाई पोटैटोज. मुझे टमाटर भी खरीदना था लेकिन मैं भूल गया, आई हैड टू बाई टमाटोज बट आई फॉरगेट इट. तो आप समझ सकते हैं दिस आर सिमिलर एंड वेरी सिंपल सेंटेंस, बट दिस सिंपल सेंटेंस मेक यू fluent speaker, and after that you can talk without hesitation, without fears to anyone. So guys, all depend on practice. Okay, so if you do practice on regular basis, so after that you can improve your communication skill and you can talk, you can become fluent speaker. So all over this about practice, because practice can improve your communication skill, and after that you can talk with someone, anyone, without hesitation, without fears. So if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.